guys, it's me from Katie's Slime World, and guess what? I am in my art room for 24 hours. I love 24 hours, so I'm going to show you what I brought for 24 hours. So where did I put my charger? Hold on. Oh, my charger is right here, and I have an outlet where I'm in my art room 24 hours and has an outlet, this time at least. Okay. I have some clear slime. It looks more like vibrant on camera, but it's clear as you can see. And it is underactivated because I've left it for a couple days. So I have to reactivate it. And then, okay, I brought my phone, of course, that's what I'm vlogging on. And I brought some contact solution for my slime, of course. And I brought water, but most of all, I brought a lot of stuffed animals. I brought this walrus thing, and I got a whole set of owls. This is my first one. This is my second one. This is my third one. They're twins. Some are, some aren't. This is the other one. I'm going to be real cozy. This is my penguin. Okay. Hold on. Here is my Sammy owl. And I brought this one, of course. I love that one. I have a lot of favorites, but I'm not going to choose which one, though, you know what I mean. I brought a squishy. I brought a dragon, and he has a brother, another dragon. I brought a journal. And I brought another journal, and I got my school supplies that has like pencils that I can use, so that's good. First off, I'm going to do some slime, and I brought a tray and water bottle, of course. Okay, this is my beautiful bag that I brought from 24 hours last time. I'm just keeping this stuff open so I can get it easier. Sorry, you guys, you can't really see me that well. Okay, I'll be right back when I have my stuff all together. Bye-bye, see you in a minute. I'm back, and I decided what to do next, and I'm gonna fix this slime because I really want to clear slime. I'm over here now, and I'm going to bring this over. This is going to be good, but also difficult. Okay, here is my slime, of course, and okay, hold on. My slime is right there. Okay. Mine gonna do is right there, and I have to now make the slime, of course. That's my bandage thing. And now I am gonna fix my clear slime. Okay, stay. Ah, my feet. Yuck. That's good. It's a huge slime if you can't tell already. You always have to go in like soon, like very, very, very early with clear slime so you don't ruin it. Hold on. Okay, yeah, definitely not. A little bit more, but not too much. Now it's working. Sorry, my dog is growling because like she tries to protect us where people. So I'm back, guys. I was talking to myself the whole time, but I'm going to fix my clear slime. I'm going to let you guys know if you go and with a lot of contacts or whatever you're using, if you put a whole bunch at the same time, it won't work. And with clear slime, it's still the same thing, but you have to go slowly and you have to go in early. Like, wait, hold on. It's not. Yeah, okay. So I'm adding some contacts solution, and I am going to help the slime become better. Okay. It's coming off. Hold on. And I'm in my art room, of course, because I'm doing their 24-hour challenge. I just sat on the other part. Oh, I went in way too early. Okay, I'll be back so I don't bore you to death. Okay, hi guys, it's me again. I'm done with the slime, but I did not want to show you it because I'm a mess with it. I'm kind of cheating because there's like a bathroom right there, but the toilet is clogged, but I still can use the water because like I don't know why it's still clogged, but not my problem. So yeah, you're sliding. So yeah, that's mostly what I am doing right now, is trying to make me cleaner. That will take a while. I'm just gonna watch some TV for right now because I have nothing really else to do. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Bye.